Hey guys, Dumbleblade here with another Minecraft video with my classmates. It's a parkour. I don't know if there's a glitch or you know. So let's read this. Welcome to the Restaurant Slime Block Parkour. Really, nigga? Really? So what? What the? That was a leg. A real leg. Oh, again.
No, Liz.
What the? Wow, gangster.
I know, papi.
How can you die, Kitmark? How can you die?
Buka blood.
What?
Buka blood.
Can we go to the survival, Zeno?
Buka blood. Buka blood.
So, we're playing parkour, of course. And I died. Gangsta. What the? What the? Keep dying, I keep dying.
Jen,
What?
dahil nagana ang parkour mo.
And the parkour doesn't work.
Dahil nagana yung parkour, mamatay ka dayon.
The parkour doesn't work. The parkour doesn't work!
Maglanik ko nga to sa second spot, mamatay ako.
Nobody shall pass. Nobody shall pass me down. Oh! Gangster. Gangster.
Kasi iyo kay ko ang creator.
It only worked for the creator, noob. Nigga, don't fight! Oh, shit of the griever, what the fudge? You make me a ping pong, nigga, ping pong. 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 There's a slime block over there. There's a slime block.
Mali, dire-diretso la.
No, there's a slime
Pahulog
block.
la.
There's a slime
Pahulog
block.
la.
There's a slime block.
Very good, Silipovich.
Yeah. Done, sir. What the hell?
Ang technique
You will not survive. You will not survive. And I will testify. With this, that guy who never dies. With that zombie hat and for disguise. And I don't know what to do. With gums that try to swim in lava. And somebody fell out the world. What the hell? What the hell? Wow! 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 Wow!
Paglag do sa parkour thing.
Ah!
Paglag do sa parkour thing. Sige na.
I don't want to. Impossible parkour jump. Zombies hit me. Oh! Zombies hit me. Why? Ah! Wow, he's flying like a bird. No, it was a plane.
Recorded ka.
Yes. I'm recording!
I made it. Did. I made.
How can you made it?
Pala ka black to jump. Sino pa mababayi?
Kit Mark, how can you do it?
Kasi yung Jeff.
Okay, you're Jeff. No! Nigga, I'm a cop. What the hell? Okay. No fighting, fool! No fighting! It's no fighting here! No fighting! Fool, no fighting! No fighting! No fighting! No fighting! Fool, no fighting! No fighting! No fighting! I said no fighting, and you will die for revenge!
Pasal ko na.
Wow! Kit Mike, how can you go there? How can you go there?
Impossible ang to. Zeno, pag impossible man sa slime stuff.
Wow.
Hindi ka man look direct.
Best day.
Look directly at it, bitch. Look directly.
Okay, looking directly at it. Dal! Dal, what are you doing to me?
Ako yung
Kit Mark, how can you do that? Kit Mark, how can you do that? Okay. This. He died at a 2 block jump. Nigga, what a noob.
Where is your earth, bitch? Jump!
Leg. What the hell? Wait, I know a cheat. I know a cheat. I know a cheat. Yes! I survived. What? So, let's go back and check what if I die or not. That's... Yay, I'm here! Ala, look bar. Yes, I know it. I already know it. Gangsta, don't kill me, okay? So I can kill you. What a traitor! What a traitor! Whoa! Whoa! What a noob! From a 1 block jump. Nope. Please don't. Why? So, goodbye, guys. This is my very first parkour map in YouTube. So, fuck yeah. Please leave a like and comment down below and subscribe. Bye.